fourth comes posture. There are two postures. Have you got time? Because I have not done anything. So far I have not taught you anything. I will teach you now. What do you mean by posture here? Posture means there are two sets of postures. Physical culture, meditative culture. One set of posture is meant to make your body supple, so that your body remains so supple, it becomes easy for the prana's vehicles to function within. Now, very interesting subject. These two vehicles, prana and apana, one vehicle is taking the energy, another is cleansing the city of life. One is nourishing, another is cleansing. They hand over their work to the internal vehicles, and there are many. Mostly there are 72,000 vehicles. Even not known to even modern science. But those who are yogis, they know most of the vehicles. How prana is functioning. What happens, how apana is functioning, how exhalation functions, how inhalation functions. What happens? Okay. Medically you will see these two holes, they both come to one cavity. Finally, and then you take the air to your lungs. Why? What is the difference that you inhale from right nostril or exhale from left nostril? What difference does it make? Tell me, one of you should get up and tell me. Surely tell me. Suppose I don't inhale from right nostril, I exhale, and I inhale from left. Change. What is the difference between right nostril and left nostril?
Left nostril is passive.
I don't believe in theory. I don't believe in Patanjali. I don't believe in anybody saying. Show me the scientific aspect of it.
If you breathe only from the left nostril, you have
No myths, no sayings. Science does not believe in that. Because Swami Rama says so it should be taken.
If you check inspect the air from one nostril to the other, in a laboratory it would be different from...
No. The electric potentials of your right nostrils are different than the electric potentials of your left nostrils. This is correct sentence. This study is being conducted in Yale, in Czechoslovakia, in Calcutta University, in Bombay University. So Patanjali is very right to say, right is sun, left is moon. By activating one and the other, you can compensate heat and coolness in the body. Here, when you sit in posture, there are two types of postures. The postures which keep you fit and supple, and the postures which keep you steady. Those meditative postures are only few. Posture, Siddhasana, accomplished pose or adept pose, then easy posture. But remember one thing. You should see first few days, I want to help you here. Why I am sitting here? So that I see, watch my spinal column. This will help. It should be here. Any meditator can set up a plank, bad conductor of heat, wooden here, and sit in meditation. So in the posture, there are two things which are important. Your posture, upper limbs and lower limbs, these are called lower extremities, these are called upper extremities. Only by twisting that does not make posture. No, no, no. Many of you think by twisting your leg this way and that way, and next day going to the hospital, will help you. No. Posture means assimilating your legs and hands in a way so that body is comfortable. Body is only this much bad body. These are limbs. So your myth of posture is crumbles here. Meditative posture, many types of posture. You can sit like this. You can sit like this. But first thing, you see your head, neck and trunk is in a straight line. That's called steady posture. Sthira Sukham Asanam. Your posture should be steady. At the same time, comfortable. So Patanjali is talking about the postures that you do exercises. Those exercises prepare you for this meditative posture. There are few meditative postures. Only one posture should be practiced as your teacher says.